So Arsenal 2, West Ham United 0. The Declan Rice derby ends in defeat for West Ham. Nuno Espirito Santo, new manager bounce, is in the bin. And Declan Rice scored against West Ham again. Mad. Jez, it weren't the greatest game, but this is what Arsenal do. Make sure you follow Jez's channel. Jez is Arsenal. It'll be in the title. David Raya didn't have a single shot to save. 0 shots on target. I think they were just happy to come and stifle us and hope it ended 0-0, if I'm honest. However, as soon as we get a goal up, they showed no ambition or intent whatsoever to try and go and get a goal, because they knew if they did that, we'd rip them a new one. But again, on the flip side of that, we've come out with injuries, or a injury guaranteed in Odegaard. Calafiori, not too sure. Declan, not too sure. But Zubimendi, when he came on, I thought I did one of his better games for us so far. I thought he was superb. I thought Timber was outstanding again. But Gyökeres, Bukayo Saka, great penalty. But all in all, it was just a standard Premier League football match, Jez. Boring.
Well, I've got several theories here tonight, right? About the injuries. International breaks coming up, Lee.
Yep.
I'll come back to that. But, yeah, I mean, I predicted 2-0. I got it right. I should have put a bet on. I predicted 2-0 the other night. Should have put a bet on. Who knows? I'm the Oracle. I know what I'm talking about. Bullshit. But come on, man. It was a ball fest again. Now, let's talk about Gyökeres, shall we? Right? I think that guy is trying so hard. So hard. And it's just not working out. I'd rather him. There was times in that game today when he was like in the wrong spot by a yard. Not like 10 yards, by a yard. The ball goes behind him. Now, is that his fault, or is that the poor passing? That's a debate for another day. But at the end of the day, 2-0 against a very poor West Ham. You know, I did predict 2-0, but fairness, really, when I saw that team today, I thought, nah, this has got to be 3-4, maybe 5. We didn't do it, didn't deliver. I don't think we were very free-flowing, personally. Odegaard, waste of space today, in my opinion.
Oh, he was shocking before he got injured.
Yeah, waste of space. The funny thing is, right, just before the international break, we have players breaking down. Is that a conspiracy theory?
Well, I said the same as well, funny enough, on the watch along, yeah, because Declan went in for a tackle with Mavropanos, yeah, and he was holding his side just on the.
Yeah, I see.
And then he sat back down, didn't he? And he was saying, we could lip read him. He was saying, like, it's tight. Yeah, but again, Calafiori. Yeah, we don't know if these players are injured. Obviously, Martin Odegaard, that looks like an injury because he walked straight down the tunnel. He was fucking seething as well.
He got a clacker on that.
But again, I'm with you, Jez. Maybe some of these players are going to pull out of international duty. And fair play. Man United fucking used to do it under Fergie. Why can't we do it? Like,
well, easily, right? I said it on Rashid's show earlier, right? And this is me. These international breaks are a waste of fucking time. It's quite simple. I can solve this solution right now. Do what rugby does. Tier 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? San Marino, yeah, Andorra, all them clubs, stick them in a group, let them fight it out. Yeah. Fuck off. Get on with it. You're all shit. Right? You're never going to get to a World Cup anyway in a million years. Never in a million years you're going to get to a World Cup.
Yeah, well, San Marino have never got any better, have they? Let's be real.
Let's be fair, right? It's a waste of space playing these teams, right? Respectfully, yeah? Do what the World Cup do in rugby. Tier 1, 2, 3, 4. Fight it out and then get on with it. So England, New Zealand, Australia, France, Wales, South Africa, they're given. They're given.
Yeah, what they should do, like, I agree with that, because we know that France 9 times out of 10 are going to qualify. England 9 times, all the top nations are going to qualify. But then people are saying, well, that's unfair because look at teams like Norway. yeah, or Albania.
They're in tier 2. They're in tier 2.
So you should have a standard top 8 that go automatically through. The top 8 ranking in the world, they qualify for the competition. Yeah. Then after that, everyone else fight out. The problem with that is, though, Jez, not all of our players play for the top tiers. Yeah, so we're still going to have players going on international break, like Martin Odegaard, like some other players, like Zinchenko when he was here. Yeah, but the thing is, like, it's all about money, Jez. Money dictates the world, let alone football.
Of course,
yeah, but I think
maximum revenue, and this is what pisses me off, Lee. Sorry to interrupt you.
No, go on, mate.
It pisses me off because at the end of the day, there's no need for this international break now. England are playing Wales in a friendly.
Why?
Why?
Why are we playing a friendly game?
Just have the game that they've got to do a qualification game, right? Fuck the friendlies. No need for it. That's more stress on the players, more chance of an injury. Just get on with it. Do the qualification game. Get back to the Premier League. Anyway, I'll shut up on that.
No, you're spot on, Jose. Like, friendly games are a waste of time.
They are.
Yeah, if it's a qualification for a Nations League, yeah, that's an opportunity to win a trophy. World Cup qualification, cool. That's an opportunity to qualify to go and win a trophy. Euros qualification to go and win a trophy. Cool. What's the point in a friendly, mate? Yeah, what's the point?
England, Wales, who cares? That's like it used to be, right? Back years ago when I was a kid, we used to have the Home Nations League.
Yep.
Right? Nobody cared. Nobody gave a shit. Because at the end of the day, England won it most years anyway, right? So it got dropped by the FA, right, because of lack of interest. And this is a lack of interest. Nobody gives a shit about England, Wales, right? All it does is give money to the FA and the Welsh FA, right? How many people are going to watch it? Not many. Let's be fair. Nope. Kenny will, because Kenny loves it all. That's fair play. I'll give it to Kenny. But at the end of the day, right, it's disrupted again. I said this on Rashid's show earlier, right? Arsenal have gotten a little bit of a run. Yeah, fair play. Now, all of a sudden, Arteta's thinking, for fuck's sake, here we go again. My players are going on international duty. I've got them where I want them to be. And I'm now looking at possibly injuries. I have got sympathy for these managers.
Yeah, I hear it.
There's no need for it, man. There's no need for it.
And the thing is, it disrupts the season as well, because if you're getting into some kind of momentum, which we have, yeah, I know we're not playing fantastic on the eye, but I couldn't give a shit really, Jez. Yeah, it's boring. Yeah, and we'll be bored all season. But if he wins the league, nobody's bored when he lifts the trophy. Yeah, I'm watching this Chelsea-Liverpool game, 1-1. What a finish that was. Gakpo's just equalised. Yeah, this game has been end-to-end. This has been one of the best Premier League games I've seen for fucking ages. Yeah, but at the same time, yeah, these teams are playing attacking, open, expansive football, which, again, we did under Wenger. If it don't lead to anything, it's just good to watch on the day, and it made you feel a certain way, which is why I'm going to watch Real Madrid via Real, because I want to watch good football. Yeah, but it has to lead to shit. Otherwise, you just had a good experience on the day. Yeah, and when I look at these international breaks, right, we're on a good run right now. We've only lost one game all season. Yeah, and that was to an absolute worldie from Szoboszlai. Yeah, but we're not playing good football aesthetically on the eye, yeah? Right? But now it's international break. Friendly. Why? Just carry on. Let's go to Fulham next. Let's bring out Letty there. Let's go to Palace up. Or Palace
used to be this like this, Lee.
No, never.
It never used to have this bullshit.
And Liverpool have not been great. Sorry to cut you, Jose. Liverpool have not been great so far this season. Yeah, so they're probably looking forward to international break. Yeah, and just hoping that some of their players come. Well, maybe they're not because their goalkeeper's out for 6 weeks. Yeah, but maybe Slot's then got a couple of weeks where he can sit down and rejig stuff on the training ground with the players that have not gone. Yeah, so maybe that's doing them a favour. Whereas with us, we're playing not great football to watch, but we're getting the results, and we've only lost one, like I said. So now Arteta's probably thinking, please don't anyone get injured. Please no one get injured.
Yeah.
And now if we lose Bukayo Saka, we've lost Odegaard already. Yeah, we lose Declan or Gabby or Saliba. Even the goalkeeper probably won't play, to be fair. Yeah, but let's say he goes down in training. he goes to make a save in training and breaks his wrist. Anything can happen. Then what? Then we've got Kepa in goal for 12 weeks or 3 months or 4 months or whatever it may be. Yeah. It's like, I hear it. It's a pain in the arse. Yeah. And the thing is, it's like, it's just a waste of time, Jez. And the players must be pissed off. The problem is the players get paid a shit ton of money to go and play for their country, let alone their club. They get paid to travel. Yeah, everything's VIP free and they get paid. A lot of them, most of them, if not all of them, probably do donate that money. Yeah, to a charity of their choice or to the club or the nation they're playing for, or whatever. Yeah. But at the same time, now they're thinking, oh, yeah, I've got to go and play another 2 games this week. Yeah. Well, why don't you just play them in the Premier League for your club that are paying you the millions every year, rather than flying halfway around the world to go and play a dead rubber that means nothing? Yeah, it's jarring, man. It's so annoying. The players, the managers, yeah, like, and the Premier League and all these FAs, they need to clamp down on this, but they won't, because at the end of the day, they're all in it together, and that's why they all get paid the big bucks. Yep,
it's FIFA, man. It's FIFA. It's all their maximum earnings, and they don't give a shit like Arsenal about the fans. Really, not really, you know. And it's TV rights again. And it's bullshit. I'm fed up with it. I really am, because it never used to be like this for World Cup qualification. World Cup qualification back in the day, right? The game, you'd still have, like, I can remember when England...
Salah's just missed an absolute city.
Like,
Put it about 10 yards.
Right? It's on a Saturday night. England played Poland at Wembley. England got kicked out, right? The following Saturday, the Premier League was playing. Sorry, the First Division was playing.
Yeah.
And the weekend, the Saturday before that, right, Arsenal was still playing in Division 1. It's bollocks. No need for it. It's fed up with it. Sorry.
No, I don't blame you. Who was your man of the match before we end?
Today, Arsenal.
Yeah.
I'd say Jurriën Timber, actually.
Yeah, I totally agree. I thought he was outstanding. He's absolutely class, isn't he? He's since he's been fit and available on a regular basis. Yeah, I'm not going to gas it up too much, but he looks and reminds me a little bit of Lauren that we had at right back.
Oh,
yeah,
yes.
because he's big, he's strong, he gets stuck in, and positionally, yeah, he's outstanding, and he gets forward.
Yes, he did. He had a good chance today as well.
Yeah, slaps it straight. I actually thought that went through the keeper's legs, yeah, because I couldn't see the ball. I thought he went in the back of the net and the keeper falling over. But he's outstanding. I think he's been brilliant, mate. Absolutely brilliant since we've signed him. I know he got injured when we first got him and he was out for a year. But to come back off an ACL, yeah, and play how he's played when he's got back in that team, fair play to that guy. He's been easily our best player this season as well. But we're going to go live, guys. Chelsea are 1-1 at the Bridge. Liverpool just got one back with Gakpo. Caicedo's goal was an absolute worldie, by the way. Top bins it. And then after the emergency meeting, Rashid's going to jump on. I think North might jump on, but Jezza is. And then after that, I'm on the Real Madrid Villarreal game. So that starts in 1 hour. So we need to get sharpish. What you got coming up other than the emergency meeting, Jezza?
Not a lot, mate, at the moment. I'll tell you why. I don't know. At the moment, the views are shit. They're terrible. Terrible.
Same.
Terrible.
They changed the algorithm, Jez. Killed everyone's views.
Yeah, I mean, last night I did a pre-match review. 230 people have watched it. What's the point, man?
Jez, my press conference reaction, I think I peaked at 380 people.
Madness. I mean, that's for you. And you
it's at 5.5k. 5.5k. And I did that over 24 hours ago.
Yeah, I mean, it's
mad, isn't it?
It's embarrassing, man. I mean, YouTube again have knocked me back 14 subs, and I contacted them again. Oh, we are housekeeping. You said that to me 2 weeks ago. What the fuck are you doing, man?
Make sure you sub to Jezza, people. It'll be in the title. We're out. Laters.